Hey everybody, this is Nick from Pulseroller's Tech Support. Today we're going to be going over how to make a backup in EasyRoll Plus and what to do with that backup. Let's jump right in. First we're going to open up EasyRoll Plus, connect to our subnet, click Discover Modules. We should see the IP addresses of all connected ConveyLinx cards. So now we're going to make a backup of the full system. Click Select All, and we should see all IP addresses highlighted. Then we're going to click Backup. This is a normal pop-up to see. This just means that my PC's IP settings aren't comparable for the ConveyLinx cards. So we'll click Yes if you see this, and this will create a virtual adapter. This process can take a moment or two, but this is an important process to allow if you see this prompt. Once this process is complete, you should see this pop-up stating that the adapter was successfully created. And once you confirm this, it should go straight into creating the backup and asking you to designate a location and name. Next, we'll look at how to restore a card using this backup. This is an important process to know as it's always the safest way of replacing a card. We're going to replace a factory reset ConveyLinx ERSC. Going to manually change the IP address to match the card being replaced. I always disable gateway, it's a matter of preference, it's not necessary, but we'll click Set. Now that our IP address matches, we're going to click Restore by IP. This just looks for matching IP addresses between the backup and the card selected. So we'll get a prompt saying that there are a bunch of serial numbers in the backup that aren't selected. This is normal, it's just letting us know there's more in the backup. So now we're seeing it process, it's resetting the card, and when it reboots, it'll have all the same parameters as when that backup was taken for that IP address. Next, we're going to move to something that's a little less common, but still an important reason to maintain backups. Let's say someone accidentally auto-configures a network that's not supposed to have consecutive IP addresses, or perhaps starts at a different fourth octet than 20. If you've maintained backups and your latest backup was made with all the same serial numbers and MAC addresses as what's currently on the system, if you restore a backup, it's only looking at the MAC address. It's important to maintain backups regardless of your system's configuration. Even if you know your system is set up for auto-replace, a backup would still be the safest way to restore a network if, say, 2 cards happen to go out on the system, or someone was unaware of the process and just manually puts a card on this line. The backup is always going to be your safest option. Hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on EasyRoll Plus.